Listeners, imagine you are in a crowded room. Everyone is looking at you. You want to speak, but the words, they just disappear.
It is a terrible feeling, right? You feel frozen. You know the basic words, but your mind goes completely blank. You want to say something powerful, but you're stuck.
But what if you had a secret weapon? A simple secret that changes everything instantly.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Fearless English Podcast. I'm Leo.
And I'm Mia. Today, we're giving you that secret weapon. We're unlocking 30 English words and their hidden twins.
Yes, we're talking about synonyms, words that carry the exact same power but unlock a completely new level of confidence. If you want to stop feeling stuck, you need this episode.
Before we reveal the very first word, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. Do not miss the secrets we share every week. Turn on notifications too.
Are you ready to change the way you speak forever? Open your notebook. Let us start the main chat. Let us start with a nice word. The first word is happy, H-A-P-P-Y. Mia, how do you feel today?
I feel very happy, Leo, because we are recording this episode.
That is wonderful. A synonym for happy is joyful, J-O-Y-F-U-L.
Joyful. That sounds so beautiful. Let's hear it again. Joyful.
Yes, we can say she's a happy child, or we can say she's a joyful child. Both are correct.
Let us practice. Listen and repeat after me. Happy. Now repeat, joyful.
Great job. You are doing excellent already.
Our next word is smart, S-M-A-R-T. For example, my brother is very smart. He gets good grades at school.
Yes, he is. And a good synonym for smart is intelligent, I-N-T-E-L-I-G-E-N-T. It's a longer word, but very common.
Intelligent. Let's use it in a real-life sentence. The new student in our class is very intelligent.
Perfect example, Mia. Listen to the difference, but remember they mean the same. He's smart. He's intelligent.
Let's practice together. Listen and repeat. Smart. Now repeat, intelligent.
Wow, your pronunciation is getting better every minute. Word number 5 is fast, F-A-S-T. We use this when something moves with high speed, like the red car is very fast.
And the synonym is quick, Q-U-I-C-K.
Right. We often use quick for time. For example, I need to make a quick breakfast before work.
Oh, I love a quick breakfast. My quick breakfast is a piece of toast with honey. It takes only 1 minute.
That sounds delicious and fast. So we have fast and quick.
Let's say them together. Listen and repeat. Fast. Now repeat. Quick.
You are doing amazing. Keep going.
Now let's look at a different feeling. The word is angry, A-N-G-R-Y. For example, he was angry because he lost his keys.
That happens to me often. A very common synonym for angry is mad, M-A-D. In everyday conversation, people say mad a lot.
Yes, they do. Please don't be mad at me. It means the same as please don't be angry with me.
Exactly. It's friendly and informal. Let's practice these two words. Listen and repeat. Angry. Now repeat. Mad.
That's a great question you might have. Are they always the same? Yes, in this context, they mean the same thing. Good job.
Next, we have word number 9, which is small, S-M-A-L-L. We live in a small apartment.
And the synonym is tiny, T-I-N-Y. Tiny means very small. It's a cute word.
It is, like look at that tiny bird outside the window. It means the bird is very, very small.
Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Small. Now repeat, tiny.
Beautiful. You are learning so fast.
Speaking of beautiful, our next word is beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. The flowers in the park are beautiful.
And the synonym is pretty, P-R-E-T-T-Y. We use this a lot for clothes, gardens, or faces. That's a pretty dress you're wearing, Mia.
Oh, thank you, Leo. That's very kind of you. So we can say a beautiful dress or a pretty dress.
Yes, both sound very natural. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Beautiful. Now repeat, pretty.
Fantastic. You are speaking like a native speaker now.
Word 13 is tired. T-I-R-E-D. After a long day of work, I'm always tired.
Me too, Leo. And when we are tired, we feel sleepy. S-L-E-E-P-Y. Sleepy means you want to go to bed right now.
Yes, it's late and I'm feeling very sleepy.
Let's repeat these words so we don't forget them. Listen and repeat. Tired. Now repeat. Sleepy.
Great job. You were working hard today. I'm so proud of you.
Let's move to word 15. It's quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. The library is very quiet.
And a good synonym is silent. S-I-L-E-N-T. Silent means there's no noise at all.
Yes. For example, in the middle of the night, the house is completely silent.
That's a perfect example. Quiet means little noise and silent means zero noise, but we use them as synonyms very often.
Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Quiet. Now repeat. Silent.
Excellent. You are doing great. Word 17 is difficult. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T. Learning a new language can be difficult.
But it can also be fun. And the synonym for difficult is hard. H-A-R-D.
Yes, hard is shorter and very common. This exam is very hard. Or, this exam is very difficult. They mean exactly the same thing.
English isn't too hard when we practice together like this. Let's repeat. Listen and repeat. Difficult. Now repeat. Hard.
You are improving already. I can hear your confidence growing.
Now let's look at the opposite of difficult. The word is easy. E-A-S-Y. This exercise is very easy.
And the synonym is simple. S-I-M-P-L-E. Simple means it's not complex.
Right. For example, I like to cook simple meals for dinner, like pasta with tomato sauce. It's simple and it's easy.
That sounds perfect. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Easy. Now repeat. Simple.
Wonderful job. You are doing fantastic.
Word 21 is sad. S-A-D. We feel sad when it rains all week or when we hear bad news.
Yes, and a synonym is unhappy. U-N-H-A-P-P-Y. You just add un to the front of happy. Unhappy.
That's a neat trick in English. He was unhappy with his old car, so he bought a new one.
Let's practice these two. Listen and repeat. Sad. Now repeat. Unhappy.
Good job. You are doing really well.
Our next word is clean. C-L-E-A-N. I need to clean my kitchen today.
And when a place is clean, it's also neat. N-E-A-T. Neat means everything is in the right place. It's organized.
Yes, your desk is always so neat, Leo. My desk is messy.
Thank you, Mia. I try to keep it neat. Let's practice these words. Listen and repeat. Clean. Now repeat. Neat.
Perfect. You have great pronunciation.
Word 25 is gift. G-I-F-T. A gift is something you give to someone, like for a birthday.
And the synonym is present. P-R-E-S-E-N-T.
Yes, I bought a beautiful present for my mother's birthday.
Or, I received a wonderful gift from my friend. Gift and present mean the same thing. Both are lovely words.
Let's practice them. Listen and repeat. Gift. Now repeat. Present.
Superb. You are almost at the end of the list. Keep up the good work. Word 27 is start. S-T-A-R-T. We start our English class at 9 o'clock.
And the synonym is begin. B-E-G-I-N.
Yes, they're exactly the same. The movie will begin in 5 minutes.
You can choose either word when you speak. They're both very natural. Let's practice together. Listen and repeat. Start. Now repeat. Begin.
Excellent. Just 2 more words left. You can do it. Our final pair. Word number 29 is large. L-A-R-G-E. Like we said at the start, large means big. They have a large garden.
And our last word is huge. H-U-G-E. Huge means extremely large. Very, very big.
Yes. Look at that building. It is absolutely huge.
That's a great final word. Let's repeat them one last time. Listen and repeat. Large. Now repeat. Huge.
Lou did it. 30 words and synonyms. Amazing job. Wow, that was a wonderful session, Leo. We learned so many great words today. Let's do a very quick recap of some pairs.
Yes, let's look at a few again. We had happy and joyful. We had fast and quick.
We also learned difficult and hard, and our last ones were large and huge.
You all did an incredible job today. Learning synonyms is a fantastic way to improve your English skills quickly.
It really is. Now, we want to hear from you. We have a fun question related to our topic of vocabulary and daily habits.
Yes, tell us in the comments section below, what is your favorite simple meal to cook when you are in a rush?
Oh, that is a great question. I want to know what our listeners cook when they need a quick meal. Please share your answers in the comments. We love reading them.
Thank you so much for listening to the Fearless English podcast today. You are doing great, and your English is getting better every single day.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay fearless.